Hi guys, I've got another haul for you all. I mean, stuff has just been coming in, so I'm trying to do a haul before I forget. So let's begin because I don't want to make this video a long one. All right, first of all, one thing that I ordered was I ordered some of Zule's bling adhesive. And the main person that I see using this is It's Lovely Mimi, and she always, swears by that it's a good product. So I wanted to try Zule. So I got that in. And then looking at Natalie Cremona, I got some of this. And to go with it, I got this. So I got these two together. This came from eBay. The Zule I had to order from her website. I will have all the links in the description for the stuff that I have. Okay, next. I'm trying to remember the channel that I saw this on, but I got these water decals, and it's from Connie's Creations, and that's her information on there. And I ordered these from her. You can look them up. I'm sorry I don't have the price information for you, but these are the Gucci's. These are the Louis Vuittons. These are the Coca-Colas. These are the candy bars. And these are the emojis. And I plan to have some fun with these water decals. I've never used water decals on my nails before. Okay. Let's see. Next, I want to go here. I've got some of these. 5 came in the whole thing all together. These are like nail tip boxes. You can use them for tips. You can use them for bling, your rhinestones or Swarovskis. And these are just 3 of them actually. And they have 2 other colors that came in the pack. They all came in the pack together. I got this from Amazon. Like I said, I'm going to leave as much as I can in the description below. Okay. Now, this is a little bit different. I got this brush from Dollar Tree. And I plan to use this brush for a design that I'm going to do with the pigment. The mica pigment powders. So I got that, and I got it from Dollar Tree. I also got these right here. As you can see, they're little swatches. And they got the ring. I won't use the ring. But, the little swatch sticks. And it's 100 of them. And I know I got these from Amazon. It's 50 in this pack and 50 in this pack. Okay. Now, let's see. I've got this right here. All this came in the order together. All of these and this came in the order together. And this right here, which is the gel, I'm pretty sure it's sealed. Yeah, I'm not going to, oh, well, that's the lid off of it. Doesn't matter about that, but it still does have a seal on it. It's the adhesive gel that came with it. I'm probably going to try it out. But these brushes came, all of this came in the same kit. And these brushes came in there. I'm not opening them because I'm not going to use them right now. but they came in there. And I'm trying to give you a close-up of each one of these. Hope it's, I'm thinking it's showing a little. Oh yeah, that looks good. There we go. Beautiful. I'm going to start trying to do more bling designs. There you go. Some of these lids feel like they're a little loose. Okay. Get those out of the way. I've got this. Trying to pray that I'm in frame. Charm Chica nail gel. It's really a gel polish. And if you can see, this is kind of the color of it. But I will undo it so you can maybe get a little. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to do this today. I'm not going to do actual swatches of these today. This is the color of this one, and I know it's hard for you to see it with this light. Yeah, I tell you what, I am loving my ring light. I just never imagined that it would be so nice. And it helps me to be able to do videos at nighttime. I mean, and they look just the same. That's the color of this one. And I will take each one of them out. They're by number. See, R07. So that's the color of that one. If you can see it. I have quite a few. Oh, excuse me, y'all. This is this one. And this is the color of that one. And these are really small bottles, but I don't use a lot of the same polishes, so, you know, let me show you this one, you can see it. What's wrong with that? These are some pretty colors. Yeah, so I did not realize, and this is, if you can see the name, I'm just going to show it to you inside. These are gorgeous. That one, but maybe you can see it better when I show you. Oh, that is so cute. That's that bubblegum looking color. You know, it reminds me of the pink that I did in the polygel. That pearl pink, it reminds me of that, like that bubblegum color. And this is like that orange, just reddish orange color. That's pretty. Here's this one. That's another one that looks bubblegumish. I didn't really have a lot of pink gel polish, so I did have to. Okay, next I have this. These right here. These are jelly polishes, and I got this. Excuse me, you guys. I got this from AliExpress, but right now I'm just going to show you this. And if there's any of these that you guys want me to just do swatches of, because you know I just showed you the ring thing, and I also have like these. I have these too. So if any of these you want me to do swatches of, then just let me know. And the number of these are on top. You can see. I don't know if I showed the first one. The first one was 18. This is a 14. This is 14. They're not in any order. 17. I like this one. It's cute. 12. And this one is the black one. That's why it's so dark. It's the black jelly. I can't wait to use these. And I didn't realize I had ordered so many of these either. This is the yellow. Number 8. Ooh, that pretty purple. Green. Oh, I like that one. That one's pretty. Let me show you the number. That was number 7. This is number 11. Like an orange or a red, maybe. Not sure. Oh, beautiful, beautiful blue. That's number 5. And number 2, I think I remember what color this one is. Yeah, it's like a goldish color. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use those, guys. All right. Those are the polishes, and this is all of the haul that I got. And I just hope that you guys enjoy this little haul of mine. And like I said, I'll have everything down in the description box below. Let me see, I just want to put something around over here. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll be back at you with another video soon. Much love, guys. Love all of my subscribers, the new ones. Welcome you guys to my channel. I appreciate everyone that subscribes to my channel, because you know what, there are so many nail people out here, and what I really do try to support people in the nail community and the up and coming nail channels. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but almost every day I see new channels of people that do nails that I haven't seen before. But I really do try to subscribe and show love to them and help them build their channel, because I appreciate everyone that subscribes to my channel to help my channel grow. So, guys, if you see a new person on with nails, give them some love. Show them some love. Support their channel. It doesn't cost anything for you to subscribe to someone's channel. I don't always get to watch everyone's videos, but as much as I can, I really do subscribe to everyone. And I just appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I think I'm like 13 something now, 1370 something. I appreciate every last one of you guys, because I realize that you don't have to subscribe. And I really do thank you and appreciate every last one of you for your subscription, and every one of you that watch the videos and stuff. And I realize that, you know, I don't watch everybody's video that I'm subscribed to. Of course, you could never do that. But, I mean, I try to watch the ones that, you know, are pretty much what I'm interested in. But, I mean, just show love, guys. All right. Love you all. And you'll see me in my next video. Bye-bye.